All the days of the oppressed are wretched, but the cheerful heart has a continual feast. Proverbs chapter 15 verses 15. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and I thank you so much for coming back. So this festive season definitely calls for some delicious, super crunchy ghanaflourchips. Please be sure to stay tuned while we make this together. So for this recipe, you need 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Please use the soft flour if you are in Ghana. And to that, we have 200 grams of salted butter. Please use margarine, it works as well. And I have a tablespoon of grated nutmeg, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of blended red onions, a cup of water, some oil to fry, and some fresh rosemary. Rosemary is very optional. I like to infuse my oil with them. If you have it, great. If you don't have, do not worry, it will work as well. So all that I like to do is to add my dried ingredients, which is the nutmeg and the salt. Please be careful of the amount of salt used, especially when you're using salted butter. Okay, you do not want your chips to be overly salty. So I'll give it a quick mix and then go ahead and introduce the wet ingredients. First, I go in with the butter, and with my hands I'll mix it until everything is uniform. Yes, you can also ask for help from your standard mixture or even from your food processor if you don't want to get them hands dirty. Okay, this is exactly how your dough should feel and look like once you mix the butter together. Okay, so right now it's time for me to add the onions. Maybe it is coming across your mind, why the red onion? Because I love the aroma in this recipe, but of course you can use your golden onions if that is what you have. All right, so I'll go ahead and blend everything in and also add 1 cup of water and mix it gently together. Your hands are going to be a little bit dirty but that is the fun part of baking, right? So you go ahead and mold everything together until it forms a ball like this. Is super pretty, and it's now time for us to cut our doughs and shape it into the chips form that we like. But before that, I like to heat up the oil, infuse it with this fresh rosemary. As said previously, this does the magic, fam. It is magical. You need to please try it to confirm what I mean. It is so aromatic this way. So all that I do is to cut all my dough into 2 equal parts and work on the one. And this is also very much fun activity for the kids. So anytime I'm doing this, they are all hands on. They just want to help out because they love their chips so much. It is always great bonding time with them as well. And yes, they had so much fun, and all that I do is to shape it into this rectangular shape. To cut up your chips, you can use your kitchen scissors and the knife, or your pasta machine can also do the work very well. But to be honest, this pizza cutter is just the best of the best. It is affordable, super easy to work with, and very fast as well. So as demonstrated on your screens, that is exactly how I love to cut my chips. Yes, everything has been shaped well, and it's now time for us to get our rosemary out of the oil. The aroma of the rosemary is just super amazing. So it's now time for us to start frying our chips. That is the fun part. And also, if you have kids, please be careful, okay? Be very, very careful they don't come close to the hot oil. Very, very important this holiday season, okay? These are the medium stripes and the shorter ones. I'm going to make some even more longer, and that is what I prefer, okay? And once you drop them, how you drop them is how they will come out. So if you drop them gently straight, they'll come out straight. If you drop them curvy, they are coming out curvy as well. So you have to take note of that. That is the simple process, and it's really, really important to lower your heat. On a medium heat is best to fry your chips, okay? You don't. These have been frying from 5 minutes to 7 minutes, and yes, they are good to come out of the oil. You can always fry them to your preference. Some want it very, brown, and some want it medium brown. Anyhow you like it, you better do you. That's all you gotta do, okay? And just look at this, and they're gorgeous. I am such a big fan of the longer stripes. I don't know why. I don't know, it just attracts me more. It's so looking so crunchy. Just look at that. The oil definitely did not soak in, and they are absolutely good to go, ready to serve and enjoy. The party just started. Have a bit of each sizes and you will be so good to go. Enjoy your movie date night, a little bit Netflix and chill, YouTube and chill. Whatever, this will go so well. That is with some fried peanuts, and trust me fam, it's game over. Game over. This brings a lot of butterflies in my tummy. It reminds me so much of my childhood. It's just so gorgeous and crunchy to have this, especially in this holiday season. There you have it, family. The leftovers, you just definitely have to also store them in an airtight container. It can last you up to 3 weeks. So yes, make them in bulk and you will be glad you did. If you need some refreshing juice or drink to go with it, and I made this super amazing ginger drink, which I also share the recipe with you very soon, hopefully next. So thank you so very much, family, for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe for more amazing recipes like this. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video. Bye. Happy holidays.